on, guys? Today I am trying to fix my auxiliary port on my Honda Civic. I don't know if you can see it. There we go. This is the culprit right here, my aux cable. I don't like it because I guess this started to mess up. When you plug it in, you have to hold it off to one side for it to play. I'm not about that, you know. So I went on Amazon and I bought this part right here, which is, you know, the aux port. And I looked it up online, and it just says to carefully pry out the old one and then just disconnect it, connect this one. I've seen a couple of them on YouTube where they just pull out the front, they take it out from here, and then they pull out that thing. But I'm gonna try to replace the whole entire assembly. So just stay tuned, and I'm gonna try to pry it out right now. I got some I also got this kit on Amazon a while back, and he's got some prying tools, so hopefully, you know, we can pry it with minimal damage. Okay, so here we go. Let's try it out. I don't think I'll be able to record this because I don't have anybody else helping me here, but I'm gonna try to get this out and then show you. Alright? Okay, I have come to the conclusion that I don't want to keep damaging the exterior of this, so this guy on YouTube said go ahead and get you some pliers like this, whatever kind of pliers you have, and then just grab it from this circle right here and gently pull out, and that switch is gonna come off. Alright, careful not to damage these. Now look at the old one. Alright, now I'm gonna show you how to do this. Okay, don't worry about that old one. Here, this is the new one right here. See if it focuses. Perfect. What we need to do is we need to take these little clips off. Alright, take these little clips off and then pull it apart, so you can get so you can remove this piece right here. So let's do that real quick. So as you can see, once you got it, you can just, once these 3 clips are off, this thing should just come off. And same thing with this one. The only thing that you're taking off is this. You can either push it from back here, which I wouldn't do that, but I would just grab either my hand or the pliers. Didn't mean to drop it. Yeah, it just came out, I think. Where is it? Oh, guys, don't be like me. Don't drop it. Well, anyways, I dropped it, it fell out, and this is what it is. So what we're going to do is we're going to carefully put it back in here again. And do it very slowly. Let's see, to try and get it to line up. Alright, once it lines up, the holes should go in. Boom. She's all the way in. Now, let me go grab my aux cord, see if it works, okay? I'll be right back. I am back with my aux cable. So let's put this sucker in here. Alright, before I put that cover on, let me get my keys. Turn this on, you know, just to see if I can get welcome. Alright, let's hit aux. Yes! Yes! Before I would hit it and nothing would happen. So let's see. Let's plug this in real quick. Plugging this in. Da-da-da-da-da. Let's see. Just whatever, something quick. Alright, I can't hear it, but the volume is all the way up. Let's see. What's going on? Ah! Awesome, awesome. Let's see. Well, that's how you do it, guys. Let me go ahead and put that cover real quick and then get back to you. All right, to put that cover, I guess we just got to be very careful and let's just put that cover back on. Let's see. See if I can get that bottom. Put the cover back on here and then we're ready to rock and roll. You might want to press it in there real good. Voila. Go ahead, boy. Let's see. Well, guys, there you have it. That is how you replace your aux port on a 2006 to 2011 Honda Civic, EX, LX, whatever, SI, it doesn't matter. As long as it has an aux port like this. And this actually applies to most Honda products. They have the aux cord just like this too, where you pop this thing out and you slide that thing out, slide it back in, and done. Easy as A, B, C, and 1, 2, 3, you know? If you like it and if you have received some value of this video, if you found this information useful, do me a favor, hit that like and subscribe button for me and leave us a comment, whatever you want, it doesn't matter. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, have a good one, God bless, and see you in the next one.